Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about Kylie Cosmetics Stormy collection that I have right here. So I just thought I would show you the box that it came with. So it came in this really pretty pink box right here. So obviously on the front right here it did have like the shipping label and stuff, so I did take it off, so which is why it kind of looks very like messy. But when you open this up, you can actually see it just says Kylie right here, and they actually packaged it pretty well. So when you open this up some more, it actually comes with a little card, or I guess like a little pamphlet you would call this, and it just says Kylie, and then on the back right here it says, "Good choice. Love these products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. XOXO Kylie Jenner." And I have to say, I am a little bit disappointed since this collection that I have right here is a very special collection, and I thought that it would come with maybe like a special card that probably says like Stormy collection or like limited edition or something like that. But anyways, so we have the products in here. So I picked up all three of the lip kits that she came out with, and I have to say the packaging, it is so pretty. I absolutely love the packaging. I love how it's all different colors, and I absolutely am a huge fan of butterflies, so I feel like it's like definitely speaking to me. Alright, so and also you know, for the name Stormy right here, it actually has glitter on it, so if you touch it, it has like a really nice texture to it, but obviously the glitter will not fall off because it is actually glued on pretty well. And also for the butterflies too, they also do have glitter on them. So on the very back right here, on the top, it just has like to and from, so you can actually give this to someone maybe as like a birthday present or like a Valentine's Day gift. Alright, so it has the description of what is in this product right here. So we have the matte liquid lipstick ingredients, and then we have the lip liner ingredients, and then of course on the very top right here we do have the shade name. Alright, so the shade I have right here is called Head in the Clouds, and when you open this and if you look on the inside, it actually has more butterflies, which I absolutely love. Alright, so for the lip liner right here, the packaging is actually very simple. It's really cute and adorable. It's like so mini. Alright, so for this one, obviously this is a lip liner. You can use like a sharpener to sharpen. Alright, so as for the liquid lipstick right here, definitely really like the packaging. It has butterflies all around it. Alright, so of course on the very bottom right here has the shade name. So let's talk about the doe foot applicator first. So I previously have tried and used quite a few Kylie like lip kits, and I definitely would say this doe foot applicator is actually pretty much same as her like matte liquid lipsticks. So it just has like a really nice slant, and then it is very small since this is like a miniature like version of it. So it really is really great for like lining the outer corners of your lips and then filling it in. And as for pigmentation, it has really good pigmentation, especially when you like swipe it once. You can see like the color transfer on really well. As for scent wise, this pretty much smells like all of her like lip kits that she has. It's like very sweet, really nice. Alright, so I have all three colors, so I definitely would try them all for you, and then I will swatch them for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to line my lips first, and then I'll apply on the liquid lipstick. So let's get started with this first color I have right here. Is called Head in the Clouds. Alright, what are your thoughts on this color? Wow, it is so gorgeous. I absolutely love the color, but as for me wearing it, I actually am not really sure how often or actually how much I would really wear this color, just because I feel like this color is just a little bit too much for me. color we have here, this is called Stormy. Alright, what are your thoughts on this next color? I definitely do not like it at all. Like, this is a color that I usually typically like never, like barely even go for, and also considering my skin tone, I feel like it doesn't really work that well. I have to say, especially if you look at it from like the packaging like this, like it definitely looks like a really pretty gorgeous color, but then when you apply on your lips and then it just looks different, especially if you look at like the camera. It probably does look really nice on here, but if you look down at the mirror, I'm just like, whoa, this is just not my color. So I'm not really sure how often or how much I would actually really wear this color. Maybe like once in a while. This is definitely probably going to be sitting in like my lipstick drawer for like a really long time. The final color we have here, this is called Give Me Butterflies. Alright, what do you think of this final color? This is a color I would definitely wear for Valentine's Day, or if I'm going out with my girls. I definitely will be wearing this lip color. It is just so gorgeous, and since spring is coming up, I feel like this color is also really great for that too. So you can definitely see me wear this quite often. As for my final thoughts on these lip kits right here, they are amazing. I absolutely love how cute and adorable they are, and each of these only retail for $12 USD each. So they do have the liquid lipstick also with the liner. These are actually really great just like throw in your purse because they're just so small and adorable. I absolutely love the formal. It is amazing. It feels so lightweight on the lips to a point where you don't even feel like you have on anything, but when you look in the mirror, you're like, oh, I am wearing like lip products. And I absolutely love the matte finish. It just dries really fast. And as for long lasting wise, what I noticed that especially like if you do like wipe your mouth maybe like with a tissue or like a napkin, a little bit does come off, but majority of it will stay on, and you pretty much do not need to like touch up throughout the day or anything at all, because it will last you pretty much throughout the whole entire day, unless if you eat something that has like a very heavily oil base to it. So let's say for instance, if you eat like fried chicken, or like if you eat like a burger, probably french fries, obviously it will come off. And if you do need to touch, I would actually highly suggest you fully remove the whole entire lip and then just apply on like a fresh new layer, because I have tried on and apply on an existing layer and it just looks really patchy. So just remove the whole entire thing. And also what I really like about this is that you can actually just wear the lip liner on its own, and it's also a really gorgeous pretty color, or just you can just wear like the liquid lipstick on its own too. So it just really depends on you. And since these are just so cute and adorable, I feel like they're such a great like Valentine's Day present, like Valentine's Day present, maybe for like your girlfriends, or maybe if someone's birthday is during like February. These are also really great, really adorable. So I would have to say, out of all three of them, my most favorite, I would have to say Give Me Butterflies. You guys know that I do not like the color Stormy, so if any of you guys have tried these liquid lipsticks, feel free to let me know. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Do you guys think like it's overpriced, or how do they compare to her original matte liquid lipsticks? I actually love to hear your thoughts. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.